ভিডিও একটা বানাই দিয়া আছে আপনার সব কারণে একটা মেসেজ ভিডিও আছে মরম বড় ভিডিও লাস্ট তক চাই দিবি if you are new to this channel please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any update regarding this channel. Viewer, as you have seen in the thumbnail the sani shena Nagas are Indian. So viewers bishi Naga manon ke like mala sathian bi bishi ase bahar de kam kora khan to tan gi bishi enega discrimination enega huno parise like all of din age the last video ta apni saise Rakhi Sawan bora geographical structure bi na jane aru time pe base Nagaland to ekta part noy India na to enega bishi case khan bi thake moi last time Bangalore bi thaise to enega sathi khan bi bishi moila classmate khan bi thaise than bi enega problem face kor thaise aro moi to bi enega problem face korise moi ke kunba manhon to moi Bangalore te kam kora dam de aru Chennai te kam kora dam de moi ke udishe apni to Nagaland pura ase you are from Nagaland and Nagaland to kota exist kore na enega bi hudishe is in China enega bi manhon hudishe to bhabi sabi khan tan to geographical knowledge to nai to ita to mon ki koro lage itu khan knowledge na thaka manhon tan ke sob manu ke itu dikhawo lage ki Nagaland bi ekta India la part ase Naga manhon bi Indian citizen hi ase hoy peace talk khan jai ase aru solution na demand kore ase it doesn't means that Nagaland to India la bhitor te noy kunba manhon to itu bi misunderstand kore misconception bi ase kunba khana manor dimag te some people thought that Nagaland is not under Indian constitution Nagaland is not a part of India but it's not like that it is one of the seven sister of Northeast state. So I would like to state in my video that Nagaland is a part of India and we all are Indian citizen. All the Nagas, brother and sister, they are all Indian citizen. So please don't spread racism, please don't spread negativity and please don't say the Naga people, they are Chinese, they are Chinkies, they are Momos and all. This is my earned request to all of you. Those who are watching this video, please share this video to everyone. Itu video to share koribi kona moi request kore ase enega description na hoba lage sathi khan bi bishi description paina daise moi given ga bishi udishe to moi tan ki bishi explain korina han ke koise ki enega enega no hoy Nagaland to India la part ase apnan kun kun lote enega hoina ase apnan comment section janai dibi aro enega update kan notun video pai thakbo aro election update to ita olop election update na hoise election update aile moi mola channel te election update di dibo kona janai di ase to enega more updates karone aro channel ke subscribe korna bell icon mi dabai dibi kona request kori ase.